Alright, let's continue with the last three questions in section 5 practice 2, question 16 to 18. So these three questions consider the tough question in this part, in this section actually. So let's look at the number 16, what they're asking. They say that a positive integer is said to be trifactorable if it is the product of three consecutive integers. Product of three consecutive. How many positive integers less than 1,000 are trifactorable? So this means 1,000 should be the multiple of the three numbers, three consecutive integers. So most of the students will try to do like 1 times 2 times 3, 2 times 3 times 4, go on. So that takes a long time. So what we can do is that, look at 1,000 and I notice that 10 to the cube is equal to 1,000. So I can assume that 10 cube is 1,000, then I can assume that the number might be close to here. So I can say this number is 10 times 10 times 10. 1,000. So obviously I cannot say 9 times 10 times 11 is the last one because it's too big. So what I can do is like 10 times 9 times 8 is one of the number. 8 times 10 times 10. And less than 1,000. If I said 9 times 10 times 11 is the next number. So this is also equal to 990. And this is 720. So this makes sense and this makes sense. So from here almost down to the road to 3. 1 times 2 times 3. So 3 to 11. 3 to 11. 1 to 11 you have 11 numbers. Take away the first two. That means you have 9 of them. Alright? So let's go to number 17. Now, this question asking for a call that less than t minutes, the cost units using carrier A is the same as the cost using carrier B if t is a positive integer greater than 20. What is the value of t? T is the time, obviously. So in the beginning they said that carrier A is $1 for any time up to and including the first 20 minutes and 7 cents per minute thereafter. So that means the 1 minute is $1.07, 22 minutes is $1.14, and the cost of long distance carrier B is 6 cents per minute for any amount of time. Now most of students will try to do like a table, right? A and B, and go on one by one. That's taking too much time. What we can do is going to find this difference between the first 20 minutes. A and B. First 20 minutes is A is $1. So we can calculate the B will be 6 cents per minute times 20 minutes, which is $1.20. So at first, A is behind 20 cents. A is behind 20 cents. Additional minutes. A is 0.07 cents, B is 0.06 cents. So in this case, A will catch up 1 second, so not 1 second, 1 minute. It's 1 cent every single minute. In order to recover the 20 cents behind, so A has to spend 20 minutes to catch up. So the total time when they're equal is 20 minutes plus 20 minutes. This is 40 minutes. So first we sell the same price, same amount on the first 20 minutes because A is fixed. So you just to find out when they're going to have the same amount, when the same time, how much they have the difference in the beginning. Find the difference in the beginning and find how much you can catch up every minute thereafter. So this is the total time you'll be spending. Alright? So it's very simple questions. Number 20. Now this question is saying that you have 10 squares. Each of them has k inches length. And the perimeter of the figure is p inches. The perimeter. The area is a squared. Then given that p equal to a, find the k. P equal to a. Perimeter doesn't matter if it looks like this it's still the same, like you put this up here, you put this up here, you put this up here. Right, so you actually have a perimeter of square, because this put it up, it still have the same perimeter. So one side is k, whole 4 of them is 4k. 4k because there are 4 sides. 4k times 4, which is 16k as perimeter. Area of the square, one square is k by k, which is k squared. You have 10 of them, so it's 10k squared. Now since k cannot be 0, so I can cancel k right away, because if I factor them out, the k will be equal to 0. So in this case, k will be equal to, divide by this by 2, so k equal to 8/5, or you can put as 1.6. Right, so this is good enough.